Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to work on this Artisan 1430, and you can see when I turn it up, the trash light and the ink light, they blink alternatively. If they just light up together, usually it means there's fatal error. However, if they blink like this alternatively, usually it means the whisk pad is full, and you have to reset the whisk pad. Let me show you a program that can check the whisk pad if it's full, and you can also reset it. We're going to InkChip.net. It's .net, not .com. On the top, you're going to see a link said WIC, which stands for With Ink Counter. You can see if you reset one time, it's about $10. However, if you buy 3 keys, which you can reset 3 times, it's only $7. The more you buy, the cheaper it is. Do not buy yet. We want to confirm that this software is compatible with our system. So scroll down and find the link said English. Click on the English and it's going to download the file. Next, we download and run the file. And it's going to install a program on our desktop. This program is completely free, so you can download anytime you want. It helps you to check the whisk pad counter, and also it can do some other functions such as deep cleaning. We click the whisk ink counter, and in the drop-down, we select over Artisan 1430. And then we click Read Whisk Counter. You can see the main ink pad is 93% full. And the second counter is only 12%. And the main counter is the one that's behind the printer. Also, you're asking me what's the second counter? That's 12%. That is the ink pad on your plane. That's when the print at the web itself on your left. The main ink pad is on the right, underneath the printer. And you can see there are white tubes goes into that. And you'll also notice it's not 100% full. So if you keep pressing that page button or the whisk basket, the printer actually lets you print until it's 100%. So you get another 50 pages or so that you can print on this printer. Okay, now we confirm the problem, and we know that this software can connect to the printer. So we just go ahead and buy a key. And we click buy, get 3 keys altogether. And I use this coupon, and 9966. See, so oh yeah, still works. So basically 1 key is like $10, but if you buy 3 using this coupon, it's like $18. And now we click the reset ink counter and paste the key, hit OK. And then it just say, OK, done, and asks you to restart the printer. And we start our printer, and I start printing again. OK, I hope this will help you to reset your ink pad counter. For other helpful tips, you can go to bchtechnologies.com, or locally, you can visit us at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.